Hi again. In this video, I will be talking about tools you should have in your vehicle or at home if you are a vehicle owner. Now, starting off, we have our spanners. This is a spanner you have here from size 6 to 12, then 13 to 32. Next up, we have our socket set. This here is for removing your spark plug. This is a ratchet. Then you have your extension bars, short and long extension bars. Next up, you need some screwdrivers in your car. This is a screwdriver set. Then you should also have two long screwdrivers, one Phillips and one flat. Next up, we have pliers. You need pliers. This is a long nose pliers and a side cutter. You don't necessarily need all three of them. You should always keep pliers in your car. You need some electrical tape in your vehicle always. You never know when you're going to have an electrical fault that you'll need to patch up. You should also carry around a hammer in your vehicle. This filter wrench you should have if you're planning on servicing your vehicle yourself. Next up, we have our bottle jack. You should always have a jack in your car. This is a jack stand. Additional things you should have in your car: a flashlight, a container of water, brake fluid, 1 liter of engine oil, either petrol or diesel, depending on what vehicle you have. You should have ATF or power steering fluid in your vehicle, gear oil if you're driving a manual car. Is coolant for your radiator. These are some things I think that every car owner should have either at home or in their vehicle. Thank you so much for watching today. Follow me for more car tips.